Hello, my Sunana. This is the next part of the language. So here one person told that like this basically the prime minister of each and every countries. But here basically prime minister doesn't come into the picture. Do you know why? Because they are handled by this thousand group basically. This thousand rich people basically who are into this. They only have the utility access basically. The prime minister, presidents, they only basically follow the instruction basically. That is the specification basically which is given to them basically. So here one of the person told that because this is the very big level access basically, and to get this access basically prime minister and presidents basically also don't have the access because they are also controlled by this. So I have told long before basically all the politics basically entire politics basically is handled by one rich people basically from this thousand. He only handles the entire politics. He is the Chanakya of entire politics. Whatever he says basically that happens in the world. That means it's a one union politics, one union computers basically, one union building construction, one union medical industry, one union human souls data, one union automobile industry basically. Each are controlled by this 1,000 rich people basically. So they basically can get the control of one only basically. Why? Because it's very lengthy na basically. To create one car basically, the king family say that basically they have created more than 1 lakh planet basically just to create one car basically. So you can just imagine basically to create one car basically they have created 1 lakh planets basically. Then you can just imagine up to what level basically things are connected. Just to start that engine basically, to start that car basically, the long before basically the king family has created 1 lakh planet basically. So next video.